Ladies and gentlemen, as you remember, this is the one that's my friend, and this is her husband's side by side. Well, he hasn't been feeling the best. He's at the doctor's today, so she wanted to surprise him and have this thing all cleaned back up whenever we got here. So we'll power wash it and throw some soap to it, and then power wash it, the soap and stuff off of it just to get it cleaned up for him. Well, it's not really a how-to video, but just it's a cleaning video basically. And then we got to do the back of this house too. Alright, well, stay tuned. Man, that stuff is packed in there. Of course, I think it's been a full year of him using it on the farm since we done, well, it's been right at a year since we done them axle seals and stuff. And that's probably why they was ate up in the first place. Does anybody else get it really satisfying whenever you're power washing? It just, everything cleans up so nice. Well, it's definitely getting a lot better than what it was. Starting to clean up real nice. That's what I'm worried about. I'll show you an important maintenance item in here. I can't see if you can see what I'm talking about. Right there. See all that stuff right here around that boot? If you don't keep that cleaned out, you will wear your axles out fast, or at least your boots on it, and they're kind of a pain in the butt to fix. But I got a lot more to go, but not as far as it was. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Like always, this is Adam. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like little videos like this. And y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Woo!